Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a brand new 2024 Bennington 25 QX swingback with the new Mercury V10 400 horsepower on it. We did do a custom color on this one. This is the Sterling Metallic, also known, you probably see it a lot on the GMC Denali's for 2024. So we did a custom color to see how it was. It actually turned out great. It looks beautiful. Look at it one way, it's a little light color. Look at it another way, it's kind of got that blue tint to it. So they're a lot darker. Absolute beautiful. Turned out great. Let's have the power cladded sport tower on it. The 400 V10. Of course, Tri-Tune ESP package. Did the rear facing speakers, RGB lighting. It's got the 62-inch removable ski pylon, American flag, of course. Take a walk around and we'll climb up on the inside. It does have the new lily pad ladder on it, which is new for 2023. There you go, there's a good picture of the color there. Looks great. It's got the blackout package, of course. It's got the deluxe swing back. Beautiful boat. The sun's a little bright right there, but you can see how good it is. All right, climb aboard, take a look. Of course, has the Bennington and Sigma on the front gate there. Dry storage on both sides on the front, so you don't lose any usable space. Portable cup holders. Did the sport upholstery in here in granite with the carbon accent. Also new for 2024. Haven't been able to show you guys yet, but this bolster here on your backrest, this lifts up for a headrest. It's actually pretty awesome. So you can adjust it for the height of whoever's sitting up there. So again, that is new for 2024 models. Up here to the helm. Of course, got the 12-inch Simrad, the Rockford PMX2 upgrade. We'll add a focus there. Of course, all your RGB lighting. Wireless charging down there. Did the Rockford Fosgate stereo upgrade, so the stereo in here is it's remarkable. It sounds great. Got 6 speakers inside, an amp and a sub. Deluxe swing back here, of course, so this flips back. Sit rear facing. Those 2 seats there will flip up, so you can sit forward facing. This actual seat here can fold away up under that, so it's completely out of the way. Nice walk through. Transom to the back here. Good access to your ladder. Very large back deck. There's another overview of the inside here. Again, this is a 2024 Bennington 25 QX swingback with the cladded sport arch. You can see the color there really well. So it looks great. This boat will be at our boat show, and it'll be in our showroom floor. Until then, give us a call, 864-236-9005. Have a great day.